April often means bull market, as we could see last year when the crash came in March, and it was because of the pandemic, of course. But when you see the stock market just crashing and everyone putting money in savings, people get FOMO, and the stock market really gets fueled up, and we have seen an insane increase in the stock market. It's been doubling up in a year, and usually, as you probably already know, the stock market usually increase 7 to 12% per year about that, and now it's been 10x that. So it's been an insane year. So that people are reasoning, like, even though US have printed a lot of money, and that of course have made opportunity for many people to put in more money into the stock market, and they're at home and are not traveling and putting money on consumption. So the stock market have had a lot of fuel this last year. But now, when the correction has been for a couple of months, I think that in April, and many people are seeing that it can be a bull run now in later on in April, and we can see the VIX, volatility index. It's getting lower. If you look at the S&P 500, is getting lower. It's probably about 2-3% lower today than yesterday, and it's just keep on getting lower. And if you look at the full picture for the year that gone, you can see the VIX is just have been totally going straight down in the S&P 500, and now I think it's time for many people that want to go back. When they see this, maybe I think this upcoming week or 2 weeks, the stock market's going to gain back a lot of volume, and people are gonna feel up some FOMO out of that. And I think we can see a great run in April and May, hopefully as well. And right now, NEO is falling, and I'm pretty heavily invested in NEO, and it's 37.50 was down to. I just sold a penny stock to buy NEO at 37.55. I felt like I just have to look what else that I don't have as much conviction in to sell it off and buy more NEO and Tesla. But right now, NEO is falling pretty heavy, 6% now, maybe 5%. It's like 37.70 right now. So I think it's a great opportunity to fill it and to buy some more shares in NEO. And so yeah, take the opportunity to get some more shares if you have the possibility and have the conviction from NEO. And also Tesla, I think it's perfect companies to just fuel with with your money, and to own some more shares and some more pieces of those companies. So yeah, yeah, the inflation. I was just thinking about inflation because many people are worrying about it. Of course, it's some kind of inflation, of course, but I don't think it's gonna be a great inflation that's gonna affect the whole market in that way. The Fed have saved that situation a little bit by also printing a lot of money and lower some interest rates. So I don't think that's really gonna happen. And especially, like, if you think about all the money printing last year, if you just use in the right way, it can be just perfect. I don't know if it's a good comparison. Like if you're in a city and you're just building a lot of houses, 24% more houses in that, will it be a lot of inflation of that? It will not be if people are just crazy about living there and using it in the right way, and yeah, the demand for it is there. I don't know if it's a bad comparison, but just a comparison to understand that it's not always bad with printing up, because it could printing a lot of money like Fed did last year. 25% of all the money that ever been printed in the US was printed last year, and I still don't think it's a huge problem or it's a big problem, any problem at all right now actually. So I just think it's we're gonna see some more runs, and companies that are creating a lot of foundation in their companies and progressing, they are gonna like Neo and Tesla. I don't think they're gonna suffer much more than they have done right now. So I just think we have some great opportunities right now to get into these high conviction companies that we really like and that we have support. We have done our DD and understand that these companies are going to be very valuable in the future. So take care and invest smart.